welcome to my channel. Today I just want to show you how I have my Super Be packed with the Tote Savvy. This is like a insert for your bags to make it more organized. So if you want to see how this looks, just keep watching this video. Okay, let's start with the Tote Savvy. I ordered this in Amazon. I will link it down below. It comes in different colors. I believe they have like gray, pink, maybe blue, and black. I ordered it in black, and then it came like this with a changing pad that I didn't really like because it's just like a piece of fabric. So just in case you want to use this to protect your bed, you might be able to use it in your house or something, but I don't want it outside because let's say if you have an infant, this is not padded or anything, so you want something cushioned to put your baby on, and that's not it. So it came inside of this box. This is some images in the back of the box, and this is how it looks. Let me show you. That's how it looks. So it says it has a washable changing mat, key clamp, or clasp, inserted pockets, flat pocket, cell phone pocket, water resistant fabric, everything pretty much. And then usually if you have like a regular bag, you can just put your insert there and make it a diaper bag. This is the Super Be I have, and then I have here my new what is it called, the Be Shady, I think it is, in the iconic 2.0, and I carry here my sunglasses. I don't think I'm gonna leave it there. I'm probably gonna put it on one of these pockets. So I have my sunglasses there. The inside is just black, and it comes with cloth to clean your sunglasses, and it comes with this so you can hang it wherever you want, but I think I'm just gonna carry it on this pocket I have here in the front. So it has 3 pockets, the Super Be. Here in the middle there is a zipper, so usually I just put my wallet and the coupons and receipts that I have in there, and then on this side I usually just put a bottle of water for me. The back of the Super Be, there is a pocket right here, a big pocket. I don't use it for anything. Maybe if I have some papers, I'll just dump it in there, or if I'm carrying my planner or my agenda, I just put it in there. I hang my pacipod, and usually before I leave, I put 2 pacifiers in here. I have my messenger strap from my BFF in ... to carry it as a messenger, pretty much a bag, and then I remove, like I just cut the other straps of this bag out. Okay, so this is how the inside looks. I have the insert right here. I don't have anything in these mesh pockets that the Super Be has, or the zipper pocket right here. I don't have anything in there. I am using only the pockets that come in the insert. Let's start with the front. There is 2 little pockets, and then this big pocket that has Velcro. I will just put a magnetic thing in here because I don't like the Velcro, but in here I have all his toys and the pacifier wipes membrane, and usually I just clean his teething toys or any kind of toys or the pacifiers with this. And I just have a bunch of toys here. I have these Baby Einstein cards, this little thingy, a theater, and a little card. And then in this top pocket I have my med kit in a coin purse from JuJuBe, and in the bottom pocket I have the Wet Ones wipes. Then inside you're gonna find 3 pockets right here, 2 pockets here, and 2 little pockets. And then the back is just a big pocket. Actually, let me just take this out so you can see how it looks. Okay, so I think you can see like this better. It does not stand by itself, this insert. I believe they should have put like 2 little snaps here on both sides so it will stay standing. but it's pretty cool even though it doesn't stand, because I'm just putting it inside of the bag. I'm not planning to take it out. This pocket, like I show you, it's Velcro here. I will change that to a magnetic and it will be even better. And I just have the toys there. These two little pockets, they're elastic, and I fit here my little med kit and the wipes. Then this is 3 pockets right here. This one is insulated, and then there's 2 pockets and 2 little pockets. Let's start with this ones right here. On this side, the one that is insulated is in white, and it's very hard to put my bottle in there, but I believe because it's silicone, it's the Komotomo bottle. But if you have any other brand like the Dr. Brown brand, it's probably really easy to put in there. Or if you have anything different than this, it will probably be easier to slide it in and out. Then in the middle pocket here, what I have is my beanie and a spoon on the iconic 2.0 from JuJuBe, and a spoon on the OXO brand. And if you see this purple, when you put it next to a purple color, let's say like this one, you will see this blue. But if you see it by itself, I guess it does look like purple, but it's actually blue. And I really like this print and my placement in it. And I also have his food, the pear, zucchini, and peas from Happy Baby. And then in this pocket, I usually just put my swaddle blanket. Moving on to the other side, I have my Diaper Essentials here. I have 3 diapers, size 5. I have my trash bags right here of Arm & Hammer, and my Desitin and my little towel in the bottom pocket. And on this side, I have the change of clothes. So I have a onesie here and pants, but it's a pretty big pocket. You can put more clothes if you want to in there. And then in the back of this insert, I just keep my wipe pouch and my changing pad. And it has a clasp, I think it is, for a key fob, however you want to call it, to put your keys in there so it doesn't get lost in the Super Be, because it's a very big bag. And that's it. Okay, let me know in the comments below what you think about this insert. I absolutely love it. I wasn't able to buy the JuJuBe insert that they came out with last release. It sold out pretty fast because I never even saw it at the JuJuBe website. So I bought this one instead, and I like it a lot. I will make some changes to it, probably like put like something here so it will stay closed when I take it off. But I'm not planning to take it out of this bag. I'm actually just planning to use it like this on my Hobo Bee to give more structure to this bag. And that's it. If you have any questions for me, leave them down in the comments below. It does not fit in the Be Light. I already tried and it doesn't fit. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you like this video. Have a great day. Bye.